Every day, you scroll through endless headlines, buzzwords, and product launches. Drowning in tech noise? It's impossible to tell what's actually worth your time. You're launching a startup or scouting your next investment. But with all the clutter, it's easy to lose focus and miss what truly matters. That's where SiftLens Media comes in, to filter the noise and spotlight what truly matters and defines the future in technology and innovation. We explore major industries, from manufacturing to space, and deliver deep tech research and comparisons, market insights, and trend reports, tailored clarity for startups, investors, and enterprises. No fluff, no hype, just clear, unbiased insight to guide smarter decisions. Stay tuned. More insights and interesting ideas are on the way. And don't forget to filter the noise. Focus on what matters with us.